Benjamin's making this. Oh, and don't forget, Mommy.
Don't forget. Fabulous. So today, as you can see, we're out in the garden again. It's a sunny day. We've been in the paddling pool, haven't we, Benjamin? Yeah. And Benjamin's a bit wet, but he said he's going to come and help me. And the first thing we're going to make is some Lego shaped, and possibly some squares, but some Lego shaped dishwasher tablets. And we've made these a few times, haven't we, Benjamin? It's a bit like a science experiment. We find it really fun, don't we? Right. Can you, Benjamin, can you take the cup of bicarbonate? So we take 1 cup of bicarbonate of soda, pop it in there. All of it into your bowl. Whoa. And this will just show you quite how easy these recipes are, because...
One more?
Yep, so then we're going to put 1/4 of a cup of citric acid.
All of it.
All of that container, yep, into your bowl.
Wow.
Okay, wow, right. You're going to do the counting for me.
Yeah.
We're going to use 5 drops of lemon, so you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, 5 drops of lemon. Wonderful. Right, now the last thing we're going to use, so obviously this was the doTERRA lemon essential oil, and then we're going to use the doTERRA cleaning concentrate. This is amazing. So this is the 3rd batch of these we've made. I've also made household cleaner, and
And you put it in there.
and you can see that there's still loads left. So
Can I do it?
we're going to put 2 tablespoons in. There's varying recipes with this. So the first time we tried it, we just put 1 in and we didn't find that it was quite strong enough. You need the other spoon. There you go. You stir it. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it.
Stir it, stir it,
And then you just need to really stir it really, really well.
Then it's turning to pop.
Ah, so keep stirring it, Ben.
Pop and stir. Mom, get
Can I just give it a good stir? And you're mixing it so that it gets a nice, even consistency.
My turn. What am I doing after this?
We've got that nice consistency, and if you even leave it for a second, it starts to puff up. It's kind of a science experiment. It's great fun. What we're going to do is we're just going to spoon it out into our mould. So we've tried making this with non-silicone moulds. It was a bit of a disaster. It just fell apart, didn't it, Benjamin?
Yes, and we had to do it all over again.
And we just had to use it. I mean, even if it does fall apart, it is not the end of the world. All you end up doing is using the powder in the machine. Can you stop jumping, Benjamin, please?
But I want to show me.
Show your bunnies then. Go get your bunnies so you can show them what we're doing.
Sorry. Ooh, we can't.
And it seems to react differently every time you do it. So you can see it's looking, we've used about half of it, it's looking pretty. So you just have to keep pushing it down into the mould. What we have found is these Lego moulds, which I was bought for baking quite a while ago, they are perfect size for our dishwasher, so they fit perfectly into the dishwasher tablet size. The other size we have doesn't, so you can't actually shut the dishwasher tablet box, which is a bit annoying. You can see I'm just pushing down, and every time I push it down it comes back up. It's probably not helped by the weather today, because it is glorious out here, isn't it, Benjamin? What we have found, one way to do it is to just keep pressing it down constantly, but one thing that I found that works quite well for it is to put something really heavy on top of it. That might be a book, it might be, as I'm using, a Lazy Susan, which is made of slate and is really heavy, so that tends to work quite well. So you then, having left them to dry, messy job again, having left them to dry out for a good few hours, these have been sat out in the sun for about 3 hours now, Hopefully this is going to work. You're just going to turn them over and pop them out. As I said, if they fall apart, it's not the end of the world. And then you've got some perfectly formed cubes ready for the dishwasher.